Imagine spending over a year paying government fees, filing petitions, reviving your trademark application, only to end up with absolutely nothing. That's exactly what happened with the trademark application for Somera. Today, we're going to break down this wild ride from the filing to the endless mistakes to the eventual death of the application. And most importantly, we'll talk about what could have saved it. On March 29, 2024, two individuals, Emily Kravitz and Leona Giddings, the CEO and COO of Somera, filed their trademark application themselves. No attorney of record. They applied in Class 35, and here's how they described their goods and services. That's a quote. Somera offers a revolutionary online boutique experience featuring digital clothing and accessories for all genders. We seamlessly blend the physical and digital worlds of fashion through cutting-edge 3D design, immersive experiences, and interactive storytelling. This includes augmented reality, virtual reality, wearable technology, and live streaming. Now, this sounds more like a press release than a trademark description, right? And that's exactly what the USPTO thought. Now, about 6 months and 12 days later, on October 10th, 2024, the USPTO issued an office action. The examiner said the description of goods and services was faulty. They needed to split them into multiple classes, and they had to pay additional government fees. Instead of fixing it, the applicants ignored it. And the very next day, January 31st, 2025, the USPTO issued a final office action. The message was basically, you got same problem as before, fix your goods and services, pay for the proper classes, and we'll approve it. Instead of fixing it, the applicants tried to simplify it further and just asked for Class 42 for clothing design services, computer graphic design services, design and development of virtual reality software. But that didn't save them either. On February 12th, 2025, the USPTO issued yet another refusal, this time because the specimen of use was not acceptable. And guess what? The applicants never responded. So on May 29th, 2025, the trademark officially went abandoned, dead, gone. So what could have saved the application? First, submitting a proper list of goods and services with payment for all the correct classes. Second, responding to the USPTO on time. Instead, they wasted 14 months and hundreds, probably thousands of dollars on a trademark that they never got. And that's the story of Somera, the trademark that never was. So what do you think? Was this doomed from the start, or could it have been saved with the right help? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.